Welcome to question bank. Today's question is, this one is the Bode plot is given and Bode magnitude plot is given and asking for the system transfer function. So for this problem we have to first point out the corner frequencies. What are the corner frequencies? Corner frequencies are 2, 5, 25. These are the three corner frequencies. So what will be the terms? Terms will be, first term will be s by 2 plus 1, another term will be s by 5 plus 1 in standard form, and next term will be s by 25 plus 1. These are the terms which are going to be a part of the transfer function. So for 2, for the corner frequency 2, for corner frequency 2 I will write the, what is for 2, the current slope minus the previous slope. What is current slope? Minus 60 minus of minus 40. So this will be minus 20. This means minus 20 means it will be due to the negative. This will be in the denominator, this will be in the denominator, this will be in the denominator, this term will be in the denominator, and power will be 1, multiple of 20. So next is 5, next one is 5. For 5, this is the current minus previous, so this will be minus 40 minus of minus 60. So this is equal to 20 means this will, positive 20 means this will be in the numerator and power will be 1. Similarly for 25, this is coming to be minus 60 minus of minus 40. So this will be minus 20. Minus 20 means similarly this will be in the denominator and power will be 1. So what we conclude, the transfer function will be like this, part of the transfer function s by 5 in the numerator plus 1, another by s by 2 plus 1 in the denominator, all are having power 1. If this is, suppose this is getting 40, then there will be power of s by 5 plus 1 will be 2. So there will be s by 25 plus 1. This is the part of transfer function. Next is the term is s, that is s minus 0 term, for getting the s minus 0 term, that is, suppose there is s to the power k or s to the power n, suppose s to the power n. What is the value of n? We have to find out what is the value of n. So for this one we have to find out first what is the slope of initial slope. What is the initial slope? Initial slope is minus 40. So from this we can calculate what is the s to the power n value is how much. So here s value is minus 40, that means minus 40 means due to the negative s will be in the denominator, and minus 40 means minus 20 into 2. So 2 will be the power, that is n is equal to 2. So this will be, there will be s will be here s will be here and power will be 2 in the denominator and power will be 2. So next term is k. This is the complete transfer function. Now we left with the k. What is the value of k? To find out the value of k, we have to go to the plot, and here to find out the k, we have to apply the formula here. 20 log k is equal to 54 minus 40. What is this 54 minus 40? 54 is the intersection of the Bode plot with the y-axis. Y-axis must be 0.1 intersection with the x-axis. Because this x-axis is in log form, they are never possible to intersection 0. So this will be always 0.1. If this is log axis, x-axis is always taken in log of omega. So this is 0.1, and if this is 0.1, this is the procedure we can follow. 20 log k will be equal to the intersection is for 54 dB minus 40. 40 is the next slope. So this is the first slope. So this is equal to 14. So 20 log, I have already explained in one video, in my previous video, that why this is occurring. This thing why occurring, I have already explained in my previous video. Log k is equal to 14 by 20. This is around 0.7, and k is equal to 10 to the power 0.7, which is equal to 5. So here k is equal to 5. So k is equal to 5. So we can replace k to be 5. So you will solve this one. How to solve? Here 5 will be multiplied. Here 5 will be multiplied to inside of the bracket, and this will be s plus 5 by here s square. Here if we take 1 by 2 common, then this will be s plus 2, and here from this one if we take 1 by 25 common, then this will be s plus 25. So here 2 into 25, that is 50, will be up to the numerator. So this will be 50 into s plus 5 by s square into s plus 2 into s plus 25. This is the procedure to find out the transfer function if Bode plot is given, Bode magnitude plot is given. So what is the answer here? 50 into s plus 5 by s square into s plus 2 into s plus 25. So this is the today's question, and thank you for watching it here.